using the Essential Wellness massage gun on the neck and shoulders. Firstly, turn the machine on. Secondly, double check you have power to deliver a good massage, and then choose the accessory. The Y-shaped accessory is fantastic to get either side of the spine and start releasing tension that you will feel there, or the person that you might be doing it to. It also can be done by an individual on themselves if they have the flexibility in their shoulders. You can also use the foam ball to apply pressure into the trapezius muscle or into the top of the neck if somebody finds that comfortable enough. Then turn this up. We'll start with 4, just to test the pressure on the person receiving it. Now, if you apply it really gently onto the skin, the person may feel like they're being a little bit tickled, or that they're being punched by this machine. So it's really important that you have good contact on the skin and they're able to feel it. Is that okay?
That feels wonderful. Oh.
Fantastic. Moving gently up and down. If someone can tolerate it, you can stay in a certain position, but what we recommend is going with the percussion and working into the muscles and even increasing the pressure over time. When you've worked an area, you can stop and simply change the attachment to work into a new group. Are you ready for a shoulder massage?
Definitely.
I'll pop it on 4 again. Once someone becomes accustomed to experiencing this, you'll be able to notice they might ask for a little bit more intensity, and then it's just a case while you're doing it of increasing the level of sensation that they're getting. You can stay in an area that they say is tight, and then you can work down into areas that may feel more relaxed, just to give that overall massage. What I recommend is using it on someone who's clothed rather than directly on the skin, although of course you can use either. It should feel comfortable either way.